Anyways, yeah. It's not sexy. So, we're talking about the old 6.0 today. So anyway, y'all kind of know, you know, I've had like slight fuel leaks, and I don't know if y'all remember, but the, you know, the, oh God, don't look at me, but the old ones are rusted out, so we got some new ones put on. You know, I'm up here at Hector, and I don't know where the other kit, the other part is, but it has, you know, bought spacers for the front. And so before, heck, let's just measure down to the, so we're looking at, you know, right at 16, because the tires, you know, no stance. And so 15 and a half, 16, you know, it's not exactly sitting flat right now. But anyway, so we got I bought the front lift kit. I think it's a 2-inch, 2.5 inch, you know, because this is the 2-wheel drive, and she sits a little low in the front. But here is something I'll read before. No, we ain't reading. Ooh, so fuzzy. Hello. Focus. So what is it? Sinister Diesel. The Blue Spring upgrade kit. And I know, whoa, oh, I'm dropping parts. So, you know, it started leaking around the old fuel pressure regulator, whatever it is. And yeah, you could have bought cheaper ones, but I didn't want to. Hold on. Dude, that just looks good. Look at that. It's just solid. I mean, it's heavy. Started the Blue Spring upgrade from Sinister Diesel, which, wow. Now you need to clean your air filter. Yeah, it's a little dirty. Little dirty. But anyway, so got the air raid. It's as big as his head. You gotta get this out of the way. This out of the way, and get to work. What you think about it?
I think it sucks.
The air box. We gotta take and that. That's from the intercooler?
Yeah.
Is that the hot side or the cold side? That's the cold side?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know. I'm not a diesel mechanic.
Me neither.
You either?
Nah.
Oh, that's way down. Here's what we're looking for. There we go. She's all cleaned out and ready for little bitty parts like this.
What is that?
It's, I don't know. It's a thingy. It come in the kit. It goes there.
Did you put that little thing in?
Nope. I'm gonna let you do it. So that I got it. I'm gonna let you put it in so that way if something doesn't work, it's not my fault. Did we bring the bolts over here?
Yeah. What the heck? Oh, okay. I thought somebody put the bolts back in.
No, I wouldn't do that to you. Well, it took a little bit longer than 20 minutes. What do you think?
A little bit.
Like 22 minutes?
Yeah.
It didn't take long at all. There she is. Well, maybe I'll get around here where you can see her. I know you can't see her too well, but... What you think about it? Done. There she goes. There's the next project. Hey, you know how to piss off a biker? Nice Honda.
My ass. No Honda's here.